Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting segment. Today we have some exclusive footage featuring Elias from HKI, who provides us with a quick explanation of the Tury Fast Max at Knowledgefest. This advanced application is packed full of cool features like Eco Mode, High Idle Mode, and more. Elias will guide us through its functionalities and advantages. Before we continue, we want to give a big thank you to HKI for being sponsors of the 2023 Davis Knowledgefest After Party. Their support truly made the event unforgettable, and we appreciate their partnership. One more thing before we dive into the video, I'd like to announce the winners of the amazing prizes provided by HKI. Congratulations to Jason from A-List Detailing, who won the Sound Digital 800.4 Evo PS 4-ohm 4-channel Power Sports amp. Another big congratulations to Raymond from Auto Trim Design for also winning a Sound Digital 800.4 Evo PS 4-ohm 4-channel Power Sports amp. Now, without any further delay, let's join Elias from HKI as he introduces us to the awesome Tury Fast Max application and its impressive features.
Hey guys, Elias with Tury USA here to talk to you about our brand new Tury Fast Max. This is exciting for us, and this is a big deal to us as well. The same Tury Fast that you are all familiar with, but with some new added features. So the harnesses are going to be basically the same, but you're going to notice two new wires on them. And these two new wires are some of the coolest new features that we have. So we have a reverse trigger, which allows you to put your vehicle back to stock when in reverse, so that you're not in an aggressive map setting when the vehicle's in reverse. And we also have a GPS input wire, which allows you to connect to a third-party module that allows you to basically disable the pedal or enable the pedal via a third-party GPS unit. Now, some of the other features that are important to us to talk about within the new Tury Fast Max are going to be Eco Mode. So that's going to be a more of a fuel-efficient savings for the map, opposed to some of the aggressive settings that we're all familiar with. We also have the ability to do High Idle Mode, which allows you to preset an RPM on the vehicle, which is great for, say, the off-road community. So if you want to use a winch, or say for like your audio community where you want to do like an SPL, higher RPM to get more of your out of your alternator, that would be a great solution for it as well. There are two other new features that we're going to be implementing with this new Fast Max. One of them is called Auto Lock, which allows you to enable and disable the pedal using your smartphone as you enter and exit the vehicle. The last thing is called Magic Key, and Magic Key is a passive Bluetooth fob that allows you to basically enable and disable the pedal. Same thing, within proximity or at a press of a button. Thanks for checking it out. Definitely check out the new Tury Fast Max. Thank you guys.